Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. Here I use office shapes to create art in Word. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D object that you can print on adhesive paper, or you add it to your brochure as clip art, or you can put these clip arts onto a book cover. I'm going to show you how to make a sun. So let's begin. We go Insert, Shape. We find the sun object here. Now I'm just going to go through the different steps to fill it in. So shape fill, I'm going to make it yellow. I'm going to open up format shape. You can also right click and choose format shape. So now for the line, I'm going to go and select 0.25. Then we're going to go into the fill, pattern fill, and I'm going to select this particular pattern. The foreground will be yellow, the background will be white. Then I'm going to go into format shape, 3D format, and for the top bevel I'm going to make it round. I'm going to select a width of 23 and a height of 24. Depth, I'm going to select yellow. The size will be 25.5. Contour, we're not going to change. Material, we're going to look for dark edge. And then for the lighting, which select the soft. And we're going to give it a 10-degree light. All right then. For 3D rotation, we're going to rotate it a little bit to give it some depth. And we're going to rotate the X until it shows 10 degrees. And that's it. Thanks for watching.